Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And then for today's video, I will be showing you guys my eyebrow routine. I thought I'd come on here and show you guys what I do for my eyebrows, because why not? I just want to hop right into it, so this can be a quick eyebrow tutorial. So first I'm just going to be showing you the three things I use. First, I use my Morphe eyebrow brush. I don't know the name of it because it came in a kit, but it has the spoolie on one side and a angled brush on the other side. I broke all my nails. If you guys are not watching my vlogs, you should be, because I literally broke all my nails when I fell. And I'm using my James Charles palette, and I use my concealer of choice. I have like a Dose of Color sample, so I'm going to be using one of these Dose of Color samples. I usually use LA Girl Pro Concealer. Either fawn or medium beige are my two colors that I use. I use this fluffier Morphe brush. I use this to blend it out and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how I do them when they're not done. So I just go into my dirty James Charles palette, the dark brown above the black. I use Benny. I usually start at the tail. When you're doing your eyebrows, you can make them whichever shape you want, so it just depends on how I'm feeling. And I basically close in the tail because I like a real skinny pointy tail, so I just do that first, and then I start to move up. I like a very defined arch, so I start from the back and then I just move forward, and I'm pressing hard. I'm not doing light strokes, I'm pressing hard, not really looking at the hairs. I'm just drawing the shape I want to create, and then I go past where my hair stops. And then I just take the leftover product and fill it in. And sometimes I'll use the lighter brown above Benny, which is T, to put in the front, so the front isn't as dark as the rest. And the good thing about the concealer portion is that it's like an eraser. And usually I just make a unibrow almost, but I don't go all the way into unibrow territory. But I make them pretty long, and I'm going to show you what I do to blend them out. I know I look crazy. When you're picking a eyeshadow to do your eyebrows, make sure you're going off the color of your hair. As you can see, I don't have any dye in the front, so my hair is pretty dark. But if you have blonde hair or red hair, I don't suggest going as dark as Benny. I would say go straight T, or even Punch Me in this palette. Most of the time I use the same brush to do my concealer. I just clean it off really well, and I fade out this front portion to see if I need to fix anything before I conceal. So now we have the unibrow going on, and I try to use as less concealer as possible, but I just put some on this eye, put some on that eye. Do my tail first. Most of the time I'm not subtracting away from the tail because it be already skinny, and I just use my brush to draw a line underneath my brows. I don't wear face makeup, so I do not conceal the top every day, and this is my everyday brow. Sometimes I will, and this is also when you can make your brows more even. So right here I like to subtract some of what I drew, and I define my arch. I be concealing over hairs. Yeah, they have a spot right here that I would just, then I'll take this big brush and like blend it out completely so it looks like skin. So I just go like that until it's nice and blended, and then I just take my thumb or one of my fingers and just wipe. Because a lot of people don't do this step, and their brows are either too close or they have like blocky brows and they're not blending it. Okay, you see how snatched they look now? And then another thing I do is go like this and bring them back forward a little bit, just so they don't look like a block. And then I do that again because I like for it to look a little empty right here. That's how you perfect the fade. As you can see, it's not as blocky right here. And you could go over this with your Airspun setting powder, but most of the time I don't. And then, you know, of course I put on a little bit of highlighter underneath the brow because I love a good brow bone highlight. So then I just take a little small brush and I'll just go into So Good or Face, kind of mix them together. And of course I slow this down for y'all, but this is literally a quick and easy tutorial. I'm just going slow because I'm trying to show y'all, but literally draw two lines, fill them in, conceal, highlight. So to really, you know, complete this little look, I'm going to show you what it looks like with my eyeshadow on and stuff. So I'm going to come back and show you that. But this is it for the brows. I think they look super good and super natural. I love them, so I'm gonna come back when I'm snatched. Alright y'all, so this is how my eyebrows look with my makeup fully done. They look really nice. They look snatched. I think they look perfect. I did a little copper look to go with my copper shirt. But yes, this is my little outfit of the day. I'm not gonna keep this sweater on, but it's a little chilly outside. These are my eyebrows. I love them. I think they came out so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna holla at you when I see you next.